3x square x minus 4 square is less than 32 minus 5, and this is x minus 2 square. Now when I see this expression, what I know is I can also write it as this is 3 and this is x square minus 4x whole square, and this is less than 32, and then minus 5. I can write it as x square minus 4x and then plus 4. So what I see here is I see x square minus 4x in both the places. So what I'll actually do is I'll take x square minus 4x as y. So I'll simply write it as 3y square is less than 32 minus 5, and this is y plus 4. So I can write it as 3y square plus 5y and then minus 12, it is less than 0. So this is 3y square plus 9y minus 4y minus 12 is less than 0. So I'll get 3y minus 4, y plus 3 is less than 0. So here I'll get y as minus 3 and y as 4 by 3. So now coefficient of y here is positive, it is also positive. So rightmost will be plus. So plus, minus and plus, I need what? I need less than 0. Less than 0 is minus. So the value of y will lie between minus 3 and 4 by 3. So the condition I'll get is the value of y should lie between 4 by 3 and minus 3. So now I'll put the value of y. So if I'll put the value of y, I'll get minus 3 is less than x square minus 4x is less than 4 by 3. So I'll take two separate cases. So case 1, when minus 3 is less than x square minus 4x, and when x square minus 4x is less than 4 by 3. So now I'll take it on the right hand side. So if I'll take it on the right hand side, I'll get x square minus 4x plus 3 should be greater than 0. So this is x minus 1, x minus 3 should be greater than 0. So here I'll get 1 and then 3. So this is plus, minus and plus. I need what? I need plus. So either x is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 3. Now when I'm going to solve the second one, here I'll get what? 3x square minus 12x and then minus 4, it should be less than 0. So here I cannot factorize it. So I'll simply write x as 12 plus minus b square and then plus 36 amounts. So I can actually write it as x equals to 12 plus minus 6 root 5 by 6. So this is 2 plus minus under root 5. So here I'll get 2 minus root 5 and then here will be 2 plus root 5. So rightmost is plus. So plus, minus and plus, I need minus. So value of x should lie between 2 minus root 5 to 2 plus root 5. Now I need to take intersection between these two conditions. So I'll plot both of them on the same number line. So the first one says x is less than 1 or x is greater than 3, and the second one says it should lie between 2 minus root 5 to 2 plus under root 5. So the interval where both the conditions exist simultaneously is first interval and then this is second interval. So answer to this question will be x belongs to 2 minus under root 5 to 1 union from 3 to 2 plus under root 5. So that is the answer to this question.